How many carbs should you eat per day to lose weight? If you simply remove the unhealthiest carb sources from your diet, such as refined wheat and added sugars, you'll be well on your way to improved health. However, to unlock the potential metabolic benefits of low-carb diets, you also need to restrict other carb sources. The following discuss what some dietitians believe about carb intake and weight loss. Number 1. Eating 100 to 150 grams per day. This is a moderate carb intake. It may work for people who are lean, active, and trying to stay healthy and maintain their weight. It's possible to lose weight at this, and any, carb intake, but you may also need to be aware of calorie intake and portion sizes to lose weight. Carbs you can eat include all vegetables, several pieces of fruit per day, moderate amounts of healthy starches, like potatoes, sweet potatoes, and healthier grains, like rice and oats. Number 2. Eating 50 to 100 grams per day. This range may be beneficial if you want to lose weight while keeping some carb sources in the diet. It may also help to maintain your weight if you're sensitive to carbs. Carbs you can eat include plenty of vegetables, 2 to 3 pieces of fruit per day, minimal amounts of starchy carbs. Number 3. Eating 20 to 50 grams per day. This is where the low-carb diet has bigger effects on metabolism. This is a possible range for people who want to lose weight fast, or have metabolic problems, obesity, or diabetes. When eating less than 50 grams per day, the body will go into ketosis, supplying energy for the brain via so-called ketone bodies. This is likely to dampen your appetite and cause you to lose weight automatically. Carbs you can eat include plenty of low-carb vegetables, some berries, maybe with whipped cream, and carbs from other foods, like avocados, nuts, and seeds. Be aware that a low-carb diet doesn't mean it's a no-carb diet. There's room for plenty of low-carb vegetables. It's important to experiment. Each individual is unique, and what works for one person may not work for the next. It's important to do some self-experimentation and figure out what works best for you. Bottom line is, for people who are physically active or want to maintain their weight, a range of 100 not minus 150 grams of carbs per day may have benefits. For those aiming to lose weight quickly, going under 50 grams per day under the guidance of a healthcare provider may help. And that's how many carbs should you eat per day to lose weight. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell button for more videos regarding loss weight. Or watch the next video in the description below.